Hi, I am a HAWA Youth Fellow. My name is Makayla and I am 16 years old. Even though I may not have the right to vote yet, I feel the weight of the decisions being made by the adults around me. I understand that voting is a huge responsibility. That is why I'm asking adults to take careful consideration when voting. And for those who can vote, please vote to change the future of many youths for the better. You aren't voting just for me, but for millions of young people. We the youth are counting on you to make decisions that will help us. I speak not only to the adults, but to my friends and many other youths, that your voice also matters. I've seen a couple of youth movements, young people standing up for what they believe in. They are proof that age does not matter when it comes to caring about our community and the planet. I encourage you all to share your thoughts and speak up to the adults about taking careful responsibility when voting. Thank you.